Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 which was brought from Amazon. Actually this product is the Amazon renewed product. So I bought it for 33,750 rupees. So let us do unboxing. Yeah, this is the box. So keep it there side. Actually box came, but it is not a sealed box. They have given that sticker, put at the sticker by the Amazon. See, actually it is a used product. So see here, Samsung Galaxy S10 190 GB 15.5 full screen. So these are the specifications. This side though, so this side they have given that MRP and everything. Actual MRP is 71,000, and this side they have given the IMEI numbers. And this is Amazon renewed product. Just cut it down. Oh shit. Just cut it carefully to open it, because it is a renewed product. That's why they have given a sticker. Yeah, just opening it. See, this is the box that we have got it. First, this is the Samsung S10. So in this we got it. Yeah, case is also got it in this. It's a nice one. They have given case also for the Amazon renewed product. So it's a good thing too. Actually this is a plastic one, so it is not a fingerprint, so keep it there. And this is the mobile, so keep it there side. Yeah, so original accessories also they have given, that is AKG earphones. See, AKG earphones also is good. All original accessories are there. And this is the charger, that is the fast charger. I think it's a 9 volts, yes, 1.6. This is not just normal fast charger, it is a 12 volts, 35 volts. And this cable, see, the cable is unused one, is a very good. It's original cable. All the accessories came with original, so just keep it there side. Keep it these things all, and look at the device. So the device is this one. Actually there is no sign of wear. I think nothing is there. Actually this is a black model. See, nothing. Oh, actually it is a used one, but no visible sign of marks. Okay, just listen this. See this, in front also there are no visible marks or visible dents. There is no scratches. So actually it's looking good, nice. Amazon renewed product. There is no sign of any signs of marks, or there is no dents, anything. Yes, it's a good looking, very good. So actually this is a Samsung Galaxy S10. You know all the specifications of this. Previously so many unboxing videos are done, not on YouTube. So let us do quickly unboxing. So in the top we will get that SIM tray and the primary microphone. In the right side you will get only power button. In the bottom side you will get stereo speaker, secondary microphone and USB type C. This is the headphone jack, audio jack 3.5. In the left side you will get the power button and this is the Bixby button. So this is the, in the back side you will get 3 cameras, in the front side you will get only 1 camera. So in this camera, this is one main camera 12 megapixel and one more camera 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and one is wide camera with flash. So it will get internal storage will get 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. So let us start. Let us switch on the mobile. Yeah, it is powering on Samsung Galaxy S10 secured by Knox, powered by Android. So by the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S10. The Samsung Galaxy S10 comes with a 6.1 inch. So switch on it. Yeah. So initially you have to set up the device. So click on that. So here end user license agreement, you have to agree all these things. You have uncheck the receive market information, so that, and click on the next. Here they are asking the Android Wi-Fi to connect, so that they will download the updates. So I am connecting Android. So I am connecting. So yeah, connected. So click on next. Yeah, it is checking for updates. So later we will update. So it's rotating. So please see, checking for updates, installing updates. So later we will check the updates. Yeah. So here I asking copy apps and data from your Google accounts or your photos or something else. So if you want to copy it, you can copy, otherwise skip, don't copy. So I am copying my now. So use your old device, Android phone or iPad. So next, updating Samsung smart switch. So installing smart switch. So to copy all these things, first you need to installing smart switch. So I'm connecting Galaxy. So wirelessly open switch on a mobile device. So later we will do all these things. So just yeah. So here you have to use your mail ID to sign in. So I am skipping this one because security problem. Now enter your password. Next one. So agreed. Getting account info. See, what is rendering out. Just click on next. So all these things and account. So here you can add the face recognition, fingerprints or pattern, pin or password. So skip right now. So later I will use all these things. So viewing this, so apps, these are the apps, reviewing additional apps. So click on it. OK, adding finishing touches. This is this. So I'm asking Samsung account, so skip it. Later I will do all these things. Just finish it. Yeah, see, this is the device that is after that one. So later we will do all this. Yeah, finishing setup, Android setup, and internal GB 8 GB and 128 GB, and it is running on the Samsung Exynos 9820 latest processor. So one software is running on one UI version, Samsung UI, based on that. And front camera you will get 8 GB, and back camera you will get 3 cameras. That is telephoto lens and everything. So 12 megapixel, 2 megapixel. So depth and wide telephoto lens, 3 or cameras are there. So this is next. Let's start it. So we'll see what are the items, what are the softwares incident. Just is looking very good, and it's all top side you will get 10 megapixel camera. So this is looking gorgeous. See, it's a slim blazer. It's a very fast looking mobile. So let us see what is the software information on this. Yeah, it is running on One UI version 2.1. They have updated the latest version, One UI 2.1, Android 10 version, baseband version kernel, build number, and everything they have given. So they have given a Android security patch level August 1. They have updated everything recently. So let us see what are the apps installed preloaded. So there is not much apps preloaded. It's very fine. So right now everything working fine. So let us do camera. See, let us the camera. Yes, this is one camera, and this is the telephoto lens. This is the wide angle lens. See, yes. So right now is working good. So hand UI and everything is same. So there are settings here. So we'll go to the settings here. So many settings are there about the camera. So keep it there inside. These are the settings. So let us keep aside. It is run on One UI. So later I will review the things of about this camera performance, battery performance, and the mobile performance in the mobile review. Actually, it is a Amazon renewed product based on refurbished by the seller and sales through the Amazon. Actually, they have given 6 months warranty. If anything problem goes wrong, so you have to return to the seller. So they will replace or repair it, or they will refund your money. Now it's so like this. I will upload a lot more videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.